The logical approach to problem solving and idea generation is a technique called form follows function. Let me show you an example. So let's say we were building an aircraft and want to avoid detection. So the olden days, they used to design these attractive earmuffs. I'm not kidding. This is like circa 1940. And the second generation got even bigger and better. They had a swivel neck and a chair for the operator. And as you know, today's version is a lot more sophisticated. So this is the function or the problem to avoid detection. In step two of form follows function is to solve the problem. And you may remember the F-117, which was a breakthrough fighter that had strategic angles and radar absorbing materials to make it very stealthy. So a counterintuitive and seemingly illogical approach is the function follows form approach. Step one is to create a hypothetical concept, a new idea. And so we come up with the solution first or the form first. Step two is to determine if it can solve any customer problems or create any kind of customer benefit. If yes, step three is looking to discover and solve any feasibility or core competency challenges along the way. And step four is to design, engineer, and optimize the solution. So let's look at a real quick example. How about if our hypothetical concept is a square watermelon? So step two says determine if it can solve any problems or create any new customer value. And this concept looks really kind of crazy, but what benefit might it solve if we had a square watermelon? Hmm. Might be easier to cut. You might be able to increase your packing and shipping density. It doesn't roll. It looks cool. So there's a whole bunch of these potential benefits. And by the way, this actually exists. It's done by growing the watermelon in a shaped container, clear container. So sometimes coming up with something unconventional surfaces benefits not seen in existing offerings. Therefore, that creates new value, which is the definition of innovation.